How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can add your Ender tree to Bambu Studio. Now, the first thing that you want to do is to just open up any project on your device. Basically, I'm going to open up this project right here. And right after, you then want to head over to the printer section. So just click on the edit preset, or just click on the printer itself. Click on create printer. And then from here, you simply want to select the Ender tree printer. For the vendor, select Creality. And then from here, you then want to select the specific Ender model that you have. You can edit out your nozzle diameter, the printable space, and more. But after clicking on OK, it will then show up right here. So let's just click on the Creality once more, the Creality Ender 0.4 nozzle. Click on Create, and then basically there we have it. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.